Ninth one, write a Python program to count the frequency of words in a file. Frequency of words in a file means how many words are repeated in a file. Okay, how many times the each word repeated in a file. So we have to return the number. Okay, frequency of words means. For that we have to import counter class from the collections. Okay, from the collection module we have to import counter class. So if you practice earlier exercises, you can understand that one easily. You can do this one easily. Okay, simple one. You have to import collections. So import module collection from import counter here, counter class. This counter class declare for counting hashable items, sometimes called a bagger multiset here. Okay, it returns in dictionary format. Okay, this counter class in dictionary format, the word and the number of repeated, how many times they repeated in a text here, a given text here. Okay, so you can easily counter f dot read dot split here. Okay, here print simple executed here. See, and 5 times programming, 2 times a, 2 times hello Python, 1 times like that here. Okay, suppose if you take another text here, suppose you can just write text here. Okay, instead of new text here, write text here, take it wrt, just execute it. See, is 2 times more, 2 times this 1 time. Okay, like that. Okay, in dictionary format, this is counter by dictionary format, it returns here. Okay, counter means number of frequency, number of words in a repeated in a text file.